Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, me there here again once more, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. You see it? Yeah, just certain things me I talk to you about in this video. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at a business establishment. See? So, allegedly, it is said that some type of confrontation developed between at least two persons, and other persons somewhat got involved, like they were trying to de-escalate the whole hostile situation. That's in my point of view as well to viewers and subscribers. So may I say, yeah, the video shows quite a lot of persons at the business establishment, and I want you to look at the screen right here, viewers and subscribers, and tell me what you see. See? Tell me what you see. Do you see Popeyes? Alright, so the video also shows when someone climbed over what I call a counter in order to get into an area where staff members at the business establishment work. And I think that the person do that to try and get to someone. See, viewers and subscribers, the situation really and truly is a hostile one. Yes, I may say, I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this situation. Now, please bear in mind that I can hear yelling and shouting in the video. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. For this video, observe. Notice of a person right there, so just take notice. Just take notice. Take notice for the people. Look what I want. Person will put up one of the person. See there? Look, you see that? Yeah, my people, so that is one hostile situation in my point of view. You see what I said to you? Yeah, man, you see me? Yeah, that's in my point of view. Me I tell you, that would have come like one neighbor who I know, you know, we jump fence, we go try to fight somebody, you know, and in an idea that somebody they pop him back's foot. Yeah, my people, so at them little thing they may talk about now in this world I still do, you know, so many times we have to try and avoid certain type of confrontation. You see me I say? Yeah, we have to avoid them things. See me get unconfirmed information as to what started that whole situation of your subscribers. Yeah, me get some unconfirmed information as to what started that whole situation, but I think it will be best if you ask me in the comment section, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible. Alright? So I'm gonna left that right there, so see? Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell as well, so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And for those who have might been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, when you click the notification bell with it. Alright? Now I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video is going to show a person inside of a business establishment. It is believed that the person did this thing that is known as breaking and entering, viewers and subscribers. See? Allegedly, and it is also believed that the person illegally entered a store. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video has been talked about on social media. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. The video also shows a sign that I think might be a clue in our viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the sign has words on it that says no cash, no worries, along with other words as well. Yeah, I think that is a clue that might help to give some form of understanding towards the whole situation. Viewers and subscribers, based on what I saw in the video, I wonder to myself if the person have some form of mental health issue. Anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Live. People with their life. This man different. Hey, yes, that was 2 minutes. This is the first time I seen this. Nobody in our life.
Alright, my people, so that look like vandalism right there. So you see me I say? Yeah man, that look like vandalism right there, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so let me know what you think about that video or the situation, viewers and subscribers. Tell me what you think. You know, you can tell me if you think the person okay mentally or not, you know. On to another topic. Now I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about this situation. See me? Yeah, the video is not really a long video, and the video is going to show at least the back of a security company motor vehicle, and the video shows a certain amount of persons doing certain things. Viewers and subscribers, you see, ever since certain incidents happened where it is said that gunmen attacked security company members and motor vehicles in what I believe to be robberies, viewers and subscribers, it's like there are videos posted on social media with titles claiming that some people try to move away whenever them see a certain type of security company motor vehicle or vehicles at certain locations. I'm not so sure about members of the security company itself, viewers and subscribers, and I think that some of those videos have been posted on social media to be amusing or something. Some people seem to find those videos to be funny, viewers and subscribers, while some people do not. You understand? So I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at this video for yourself. You can let me know what you think. You can tell me if you think this video shows persons who was trying to move away from a security company motor vehicle that you can see in the video, or if they were not. And if you think so, then I would like you to tell me if you think they are doing the right thing or if you think they are not. Alright? And you can also tell me if you think the video is funny or if you think the video is not funny, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Yeah, I can't tell a person how to live his or her life. So if a person wants to protect his or her life, that's their decision to how they want to. You understand? Yeah, some look on life still. You see? Anyways, until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe.
Udah lift up, lift up. Ya lift up tu. Yo, dah lift up the bike. Tinggal lift up tu. Yo, tak cina hak dah man. Dah dah.
Really, look how we are.
Lift up.